ma pa ga ma dha pa ga ma re sa re sa ये कर सकते हैं. This Indian classical raga called Bhairav is why Dune sounds so ancient. In West, this scale is called double harmonic scale, and the entire Dune score is based on this scale. And I have recreated the original score. Let me just play it to you quickly.